Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about a numerical on the generation rate of excess electrons and excess holes. So in the given numerical, it is written that excess carriers are generated in a sample of n-type semiconductor. There is an n-type semiconductor by shining a light at one level. That means we have a semiconductor like this. Suppose this is a semiconductor, and if I draw the 3D diagram, then it will be looking like this. So light is incident from one end. So this is the light that is incidenting from one end. So due to the incident of this light, electron and hole pairs are generated inside the semiconductor. So the current flow inside the sample will be made up of, there are four options: diffusion flow of carriers, drift flow of carriers, and both diffusion and drift flow of carriers, and there is neither diffusion or not drift flow of carriers. So we have to choose the right option. It is a multiple choice question. So we know that after shining of light at this end, if I talk about this end, at this end there will be a lot of excess carriers. We can write it here. There will be a lot of excess carriers. So due to the generation of excess carriers, there will be the high concentration of electron and holes inside this region. So the excess carriers will try to diffuse. They will try to diffuse in this direction. So there will be a diffusion flow of carriers also. Now, when the electrons, suppose the electrons are diffusing, if these electrons will diffuse in this direction, then electric field will be produced. So electric field, if I say it is a built-in electric field, this built-in electric field will be produced. So due to the built-in electric field that has been produced due to the diffusion of carriers, due to this built-in electric field, drift motion of the carriers will happen. So you can see both the diffusion and the drift motion of carriers will take place. That's why there will be both diffusion and drift flow of carriers. So the option C will be the right answer. That means inside this semiconductor or n-type semiconductor, there will be both diffusion motion of carriers as well as drift flow of carriers. So this is all about the numerical on generation rate of excess carriers and excess holes. Thank you.